Dutch, are you riding your bike? Let me get this out of your way so you can ride your bike, right? Ride your bike. Ride your bike. Whoa, good job. That's a sharp turn you're doing there. And turn it. Good job. You got it. What are you talking about? Go backwards. I think you need to go backwards and back up. Ride your bike. Come on, bring it this way. One. Go backwards. You got it. Great job. You got it. You got it. You got it. You're doing a great job. There. All right, ride your bike now. Yeah, good job. Good job. Whoa, ride it right here. Go down the hallway. Go down the hallway. Here we go. Ride it. Take it to the door. Keep going. You want me to come this way? Yeah, ride it down the hallway. Good job. Ride your bike. Oh, you can honk the horn? What's the horn say? Honk, 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 honk. Whoa, you better drive with two hands. Good job, Munchkin.